Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the absolute best settings to use inside of TCP Optimizer. So the settings that I'm about to show you in this video are going to drastically improve the performance of your connection, and it is going to help you get better ping. The performance improvements that you can get from applying these settings are not only limited to Fortnite, but absolutely any online game that you can think of. Now, in the first part of this video, I'm going to show you how to find the most optimal settings for TCP Optimizer for your specific hardware and connection. And in the second part of this video, I'm going to showcase a bunch of settings that personally have worked the best for me and my clients. But before we get started, I'd like to take a second to talk about GearUp. GearUp is essentially a software that allows you to boost your ping with a click of a button. Let me explain. So normally when you connect to a game server, your internet doesn't go straight there. It bounces through multiple random ISP routes, different cities, sometimes even different countries, and that's where the ping spikes, packet loss, and the jitter come from. You could have fast internet and still get absolutely cooked by bad routing, and that's where GearUp comes in. Instead of letting your connection take the long, messy route, it forces your game traffic through an optimized gaming pathway that is built specifically for low latency. So less hopping around and cleaner route means lower ping. Simple as that. Also, this is completely safe to use. Big creators and gaming brands already use it. There's also a bunch of Fortnite creators that already use GearUp and endorse it, and it's ranked super high on Trustpilot too. So no risk of bans and no shady stuff running in the background. Now let's talk about the real results. So when I turned it on for Fortnite, my ping was around the 130s range, occasionally spiking up to the 200s, and also with the random ping spikes and packet loss. But once I boosted using GearUp, I was getting an estimated ping of 65, but in-game I was able to go down to about 55 at times. That's a 50% reduction in ping, which is absolutely insane. And if you've ever died because your character randomly teleported, that's packet loss. GearUp's built-in anti-packet loss system keeps your connection logged in, so those frustrating deaths can finally disappear. So if you'd like to get the competitive advantage over your opponents, you can check out GearUp for free through the link in the description of this video. And now, back to the video. Alright, so the first thing that we need to do is download TCP Optimizer. To do that, you need to open up your browser and follow this link that I will provide in the description of this video. Now, the speedguide.net website doesn't seem to be working for some reason, which is why we're going to be downloading it from here. This website is just as safe, so once you're on here, just click on download now, and that should start your download. It shouldn't take that long because the file is just a few kilobytes. Once the download is complete, you need to locate the file. And before you launch the application, make sure that you right-click and run this as an administrator. If you don't do that, the settings are not going to be applied properly, and it's going to throw an error at the end. Now, once TCP Optimizer is open, you need to first set your connection speed to the maximum value possible. Also, make sure that you check modify all network adapters so that the settings that we change are going to be applied to all the network adapters on your computer. Now what you need to do is down here under choose settings, just click on the optimal button. Once you do that, just click on apply changes, press OK. And now it's going to ask you to reboot the computer to apply the changes. Just click on yes and wait for your PC to restart. Once you restart your PC, you need to open up TCP Optimizer once again. And this time, click on Custom, click on the MTU/latency tab, and then click on the largest MTU button. What this is going to do is ping a random server, and it is going to tell you the best MTU value to use. So right now, it's suggesting me to use 1492. And to change the MTU value, just click on General Settings, and in the MTU box, just set the value that you got from the test. Once that is done, just click on apply changes once again, click on OK, and now you'll have to restart your PC one more time to apply the new MTU value. So that was pretty much how you can apply the most optimal value based on your system. Now we're going to be looking at the best settings that I could personally find and the ones that have given me and my clients the best performance boost. So once you have TCP Optimizer open, you need to apply these settings. So first, the TCP window auto tuning is going to be set to normal. Window scaling heuristics is going to be disabled. The congestion control provider, we're going to be setting this to cubic. RSS is going to be enabled. We're going to disable RSC. Time to live is going to be set to 64. ECN capability is disabled, and you need to disable all of these other settings as well. Next, under advanced settings, under the Internet Explorer optimization, we're going to set both the values to 10. The host resolution priority is going to be 4, 5, 6, and 7. Under retransmissions, we're going to set the max SYN retransmissions to 2 and the other value to disabled. For the RTOs, the initial is going to be 2000 and the minimum is going to be 300. Next, for the QoS values, we're going to set this to 0 and 1. The gaming tweaks, we're going to disable the first one, and for the system responsiveness, we're going to set this to gaming 0. For the Nagel's algorithm, we're going to set the values to 1, 1, and 0. For the network memory allocation, we're going to set the values to enabled and optimized. And last but not least, for the dynamic port allocation, we're going to set the max user port to 65534 and the timed wait delay to 30. Once that is done, you need to open the MTU tab and click on largest MTU. If you get a pop-up like this, just click on yes. And now it's going to find the most optimal MTU value to use for your connection. Once you find this value, just copy and paste this inside of the MTU box. Once this is done, just click on apply changes, press OK. And now you need to restart your PC to apply the changes. So these were the settings that helped me and my clients out the most. Let me know which one of these settings worked the best for you and what kind of performance improvements you got from them. With that being said, this is going to be the end of the video. If it helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. If you'd like me to optimize your connection or to optimize your PC or laptop for gaming, you can check out the link in the description of this video to my service. I've got a bunch of positive and 5-star reviews, and I've helped a bunch of my clients get the results that they wanted. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.